In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make, which is a powerful no-code automation tool that connects various apps and handles repetitive tasks seamlessly without needing any coding skills. If you're new to the world of automation or just curious about what Make can do, this beginner's guide is perfect for you. The foundation of Make's automation is based on a simple concept: trigger, action, and result. Imagine you have a new Google form submission. With Make, you can automatically save this data in Google Sheets and then send a notification via Telegram. This is just one example of the many possibilities with Make. To get started, first, create a free account on make.com. The platform offers a free plan where you get 1,000 operations each month, which is usually more than enough for beginners. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to create what's called a scenario. A scenario in Make is essentially an automation workflow that you design. Start by clicking on Create a New Scenario. Think of it like laying the groundwork for your automation project. Now you'll need to add a trigger. The first module in any scenario always acts as the trigger. It's the event that kicks off the automation process. For instance, you might use a webhook, a new entry in Google Sheets, or even a Telegram message to start the automation. The trigger is a crucial component because it defines exactly when and how your automation will begin to run. Following this, you add an action. The second module typically performs this action. Here's where you decide what tasks need to be accomplished, whether it's sending an email, creating a new row in a database, sending a message, or calling an API. The action completes the task you want to automate. Next, it's time to link your apps. Depending on the scenario, you might need to log into Google, Telegram, OpenAI, or any other app involved. This is referred to as creating a connection. Once connected, your apps can share and process data seamlessly. Mapping data is your next move using Make's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. This involves directing data from one app to another. For instance, mapping a name from a Google form to a Google Sheet, or matching an email address from a form to a CRM system. Before you finalize your automation, it's essential to test your scenario to ensure everything functions correctly by clicking Run Once. You can send some test data through the workflow to check for any issues. Finally, turn on your automation. Once you hit On, your scenario will run automatically whenever it's triggered, saving you time and effort. Let's go over a few key terms that you'll frequently encounter. A scenario is the complete automation workflow, while a module represents a single step within that workflow. A trigger is your start event, and an action is the task performed. Routers, filters, webhooks, and data stores are all tools within Make that help tailor your automation even further. If you're just starting out, an excellent beginner example is to autosave form data. When someone fills out a Google form, the data is captured by a webhook and then saved into Google Sheets, followed by sending an alert via Telegram. Popular beginner apps include Google Sheets for data storage, Telegram for instant messaging, Gmail for sending emails, OpenAI for AI integrations, and webhooks for API interactions. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to use Make. Dive in and start building your first automation scenario today.